Hello and welcome to Jan Uday News. I am Pankaj. Before I take you through what made news through the day, I appeal to all you viewers to stay safe from the COVID-19 pandemic. In the wake of certain cases in some states, it's all the more important for the people to continue to maintain COVID-appropriate behavior. Remember to wear face mask, wash your hands and face regularly, and ensure that you maintain physical distancing each time you step outside. Remember the simple precautions of that all that you take defeat the ongoing pandemic. And now the headlines.
Yashwant Sinha, ex-BJP leader, joins Trinamool Congress ahead of Bengal polls. India has added over 24,882 fresh COVID-19 cases in the past 24 hours. This is the highest jump this year, taking the total tally to 1 crore 13 lakh COVID-19 cases in the country based recording to the latest health ministry data has been released a short while ago. The number of fresh cases is nearly 7% higher than the previous 24 hours on Friday. Rakesh Tikait in Bengal today to launch anti-BJP campaign. At the first Quad Summit, India, US, Japan and Australia resolved to work unitedly against the COVID pandemic, to work for a free and exclusive Indo-Pacific region. Celebrations of India's 75 years of independence begin. From Sabarmati Ashram, Prime Minister Modi launches Amrit Mahotsav of Independence, calls nation achievements a new hope for the entire humanity. On the Amrit Mahotsav of Independence, Vice President M. Venkatesh Naidu calls for concerted effort to eradicate poverty, illiteracy, corruption and social events. Rajya Sabha Chairman M. Venkaiah Naidu to inaugurate two-day orientation program for newly elected members program to focus parliamentary conventions and procedures. A nomination process for assembly elections begin in Tamil Nadu, Puducherry and Kerala. Single-phase voting to the held of the 6th of April, the DMK announces names of 173 candidates for the Tamil Nadu boards. Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee was discharged from hospital in a wheelchair. An FIR has been registered against actor Kangana Ranaut and others associated with the upcoming film Manikarnika Returns, The Legend of Dida. Writer Ashish Kaul has claimed that he has the sole copyright of the biography of Dida, the warrior queen, and says that Kangana stole his story.
And before we leave, let me once again remind to all you viewers to stay safe from the coronavirus pandemic.
Remember to wear your face mask, wash your hand and face regularly, and also ensure that to maintain physical distancing whenever you step outside. Remember, in the wake of surging cases of COVID-19 in different parts of the country, these simple precautions by us are all that it takes to defeat the ongoing pandemic. Take care of yourself and your family. Thank you for your time.
Please like, subscribe our channel Jan Uday and hit the bell icon.